Are you unable to play PokemonGo due to environmental factors? Then I share with you the good app I found, PoGoskill. PoGoskill is a powerful location modification software, and it has a 20% discount for downloading now. It doesn't require jailbreak and allows you to catch Pokemon without walking. It also allows you to install a joystick. So how do we use PoGoskill on CC? First, go to PoGoskill official website. Download and install the PoGoskill app on your PC. Click Start, then connect your device to PC via a USB cable. Click Trust and enter your password. Now you can start to change your location. Remember, close your Pokemon Go when changing location. After changing, click this button and start to move. You can enter the location to Spoof by searching the name in the search box or entering specific coordinates. Or you can tap anywhere on the map to move. Also, there is a joystick for your movement. Isn't that convenient? If you like PoGoskill, why not give it a try? So that is for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.